gonna be highlighting some Black beauty brands. Okay, I'm gonna try some makeup from Juvia's Place, Beauty Bakerie. Get your wine, you know that's how we do our tutorials. Get your wine and let's do some makeup. Right, so from Juvia's Place, first thing we're gonna be trying is their foundation stick. I have the shade in Cameroon. This is what she looks like. Cameroon is a good shade match for me. So if you're about my color, go ahead, pick her up. It goes on super smooth and super creamy, so I like that. So I also got their concealer. She's a big girl. She's thick with 4 C's. She is a super big girl. BBW, we love her. I got the shade 10. I'm not sure how fast she sets or anything. So my rule of thumb is, but when you're using any new concealer, try her out on one side first and then apply her everywhere else. Because if she sets too fast, then you kind of stuck trying to figure out how to blend her out. And make sure you get right here in this corner. The eye looks so good, and then you just be like like a whole patch of makeup is missing right there, and it stands out to me. But who am I? Do your makeup how you want to do it. She didn't set really fast, so I feel like I'm safe to go ahead and just lay her down everywhere else where I would put concealer. So what I'm doing now, what I've been doing now, is taking whatever foundation shade I'm using and contouring my nose with that, because I don't like a super dark contour, but it is darker than my concealer, so it's enough. So I start all the way up here underneath my brow, and I drag it all the way down. Just like that. And it don't have to be perfect either. I don't try to make it perfect at all. And I'm just gonna take the concealer and drag it down below my nose. So we're using our Fenty. Oh, this is the Fast Face brush. I always say that wrong. Fast Face brush from the Lip Bar. It's dual ended. I really like this brush. So for our shadow today, we're going to use our Juvia's Place palette. This is the NUBIAN 3 Coral palette. This is what she looks like. I just picked this one up because I feel like I didn't have any colors like this. And I like how they were able to mix like cool and warm tones together in this palette. I've used this lightly before. I used 2 shades from this before in my MAC bronzing video. If you have not watched that, go watch that. It's the new MAC bronzing collection. But we're talking about Black brands today, so let's get back to it. So I have this from Beauty Bakerie. This is their Neapolitan bar. This brand is so cute and I've seen it for years, and I'm mad that it took me this long to try it, but everything in this brand is like based off of a sweets bakery theme. So this is based off of like an ice cream bar, like a Neapolitan. And then this is, ooh, get off me, girl. This is what she looks like inside. Very pretty, very friendly colors for brown skins, especially this blush. You don't know how many times I've gotten a palette that's supposed to have bronzer, highlight, blush in it, and the blush looks like nothing on me. Out of everything we tried today, these two are my favorites. This is such a bomb compact, very on brand for them. Like, not everything that I used was black on, but I did notate everything that was black on, and I will link everything that's black on below. If you want to know about something else, you'll have to ask me, because today we are promoting the black on. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you are not, make sure you go follow me on Instagram, because I'm probably going to do some exclusive content there this week. And don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 2,000. Once we get there, you know we're doing it. Yes, we are a giveaway. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.